Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about saving challenge for 2023. One important goal to set for 2023 is to work on improving your finances. We know dealing with money can be boring. However, having good money habits will help you build wealth in the long run. A good thing to do in 2023 is to try to make an effort in saving money every month after you get paid. I would recommend to save at least $50 per month. If you can do more, all the better. But make an effort to make your saving challenge to at least $50 per month for the year 2023. On the other hand, if you get raises or bonuses for 2023, do not take those extra money and spend it, but add it to your monthly saving challenge amount for 2023. For example, if you decide that your saving challenge for 2023 is $50 per month, and in June of 2023 you get a raise of 800 extra per month, I would go ahead and add the 800 to my $50 saving challenge per month instead of spending the $800. Imagine if you would take the 800 plus the $50, which is a total of $850 for the remaining 6 months of the year and save it. This would most likely be equivalent to a fully funded emergency fund that most people would appreciate. That would also help you complete a big financial step in the wealth building process, which is having a fully funded emergency fund. This will definitely be a game changer. So let's set a saving challenge to $50 per month. And if there is any opportunity that comes up where you can increase your income, add it to your $50 per month saving challenge. Work very hard to stick to your 2023 saving challenge and start working on improving your financial situation, which will help to elevate all the daily stress about money. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.